Between the Disaar vitamin C body oil and Disaar turmeric body oil, which one brightens faster and which one should you get this year 2025? Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and in today's video we're going to be diving into the world of body oils. Okay, we are going to talk about Disaar vitamin C body oil and also Disaar turmeric oil. Okay, and I'm going to tell you in this video the one that will brighten your skin and the one that will clear your dark spots, your hyperpigmentation, your uneven skin tone, and give you that fresh new looking skin that we all are hoping to have this year 2025. So if this kind of video is the kind of video that you're interested to watch, sit back and enjoy. So before we start this video, I'm going to talk about body oils and its importance. Okay, because most of us are like, I already have a body lotion, why do I need a body oil? Body oils helps to lock in moisture, give your skin that glow and radiant skin, helps to make your skin soft, it helps to maintain your skin natural barrier and prevent dryness. Body oils in general are very good, and when you get the effective ones, you would enjoy all the benefits of body oils. Okay, body oils would help to lock in the moisture from your body lotion, okay, and make sure that all the ingredients for your body lotion will work on your skin very well. And also body oils that are lightweight and have good ingredients in them can also lighten and also brighten your skin depending on your skin type and your skin texture. Okay, so in this very video I'm using this particular body oil from Disaar. I've been a Disaar body oil girl, and I've been using the particular one for vitamin C. As you can see, this is the place that the body oil is remaining. Okay, I've used many bottles. I think this is like my 4th or 5th bottle or 3rd bottle. I've even lost count, and then I decided to get this particular one, this turmeric, still from Disaar. And in this video I'm going to compare and tell you the one that you should get. Since I have used the vitamin C and I've also use the turmeric, I am in the best position to tell you the one to get so that you will not end up wasting money. Okay, yes, so I'm going to start off with the vitamin C, which is the one that I have used so well. It actually contains vitamin C, just as the name says, and vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to brighten our skin and give us that radiant and brighter skin that we are looking for. Okay, if you have used this particular Disaar body oil, you can be able to testify what I'm trying to say. The vitamin C in it helps to brighten your skin. It helps to take your skin from a 0 to a 10, like a solid 10. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which would help to lock in extra moisture, and it also contains niacinamide that would help to get rid of dark spots on your body and give you that even skin tone. It also contains jojoba oil, okay, that will help to give you more hydration. This oil is packed with a lot of goodness that would help to make your skin brighter and glowy. If you are looking for that particular body oil to use this particular heat period, this hot weather, I would recommend that you lean towards getting Disaar body oils, okay, any of the variants that you get, because these body oils are lightweight. I'm going to show you. It drops so easily. As you can see, it drops so easily on the skin, and it absorbs very fast, very fast on your body. As long as you are exfoliating your skin, there is no reason why you would apply this body oil and it will not absorb very fast onto your skin. It will not make you to sweat because it is lightweight, and it will also absorb fast onto your skin. So now let us talk about the turmeric body oil. Okay, this is the Disaar turmeric body oil, and it contains turmeric. Okay, it is made with turmeric. Its main ingredient, just as the vitamin C, is turmeric, and turmeric helps to fade dark spots and brighten dull skin. So if you are struggling with dark spots, like dark spots on your body, and your skin is very dull, your skin is uneven, you have hyperpigmentation, and you're looking for that oil that will do the job very well, that is also affordable, I would say that you lean towards getting the turmeric. Okay, the Disaar turmeric body oil. It also contains vitamin E, which will help to repair and protect your skin. Okay, it also contains argan oil and coconut oil that would help to give you extra moisture and hydration on your skin. This oil is also lightweight, just as the turmeric. See it drops so well, and it is lightweight. It absorbs very quickly onto your skin ASAP. As long as you're exfoliating, there's no reason why this body oil would not absorb quickly onto your skin. So this is the vitamin C body oil, and this is the turmeric body oil. See the shine from the two, okay? Vitamin C, turmeric, okay? So this body oil is best for those who are struggling with hyperpigmentation, dark spot, uneven skin tone, and you want to have a radiant and brighter skin. I would just say you go for this particular turmeric body oil. So now I'm going to be answering this question, which is, which one brightens more? Which one brightens more? Okay, for me, I would say that the vitamin C brightens faster and more because it contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that would help to give you that glowy and brighter skin in just few weeks. Okay, and for this one, it also brightens your skin, but it's going to take time, especially if your skin is very, very dull, or if you're struggling with dark spots already. This one will not really clear your dark spots, but this will clear your dark spots. So if you have dark spots, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, I would say that you lean towards getting this, okay, and then give it time. Maybe on your second bottle, or even before the first bottle finishes, you're going to see good improvement. But if you are just looking forward to something that would make your skin to pop, make your skin to shine, I will suggest that you get this vitamin C body oil because it would help to make your skin pop, it will help make your skin shine, okay? Having the two in my routine, actually, it is very, very good. It contains 100 ml each, okay? They're of same size, and I bought this one at a different location. When I bought it at 2,500 naira, and I bought this one at a separate location as well. And when I bought this, I bought it at 1,500 naira. It is very, very affordable, very, very affordable. These are the most affordable body oils that you can tell me that will brighten your skin, and I will say yes, it will. It is very, very affordable. Do not mind the price, do not mind the container, do not mind the size. When I mean something is really good, these two are good, like very, very good. I'm going to be giving this one a solid 9.5/10, okay, because I do not personally have dark spot that I want to clear. My skin is even, just I wanted to try out something new, and I will give this vitamin C solid 10/10 minus nothing. It is so good. So what is the best time to use these body oils, and how should you use these body oils? The best time to use these body oils are at night. I do not use them during the day because I do not have a body sunscreen. If you're going to incorporate this into your morning body care routine, please get yourself a body sunscreen. But if you know you cannot splurge towards getting a body sunscreen, please stick to using it at night, and then maybe get mild body oil that you would use during the day. During the day, I personally use pears. You can get pears, you can get Cousin, you can get Johnson baby oils, okay, and use it during the day. And then at night, you're going to use this, and you see that your skin will be radiant and your skin will be popping. And when it comes to how you are going to use it, I would say that you should use it on a damp skin. What I mean by a damp skin is, once you are done bathing and you're out of the shower, do not wait any minutes. Just go ahead and clean your body, dab your body with your towel, and apply your body oils. That way it would work very, very effectively because you're applying them on a damp skin. Your skin is still open, your skin pores are still open, and it will just penetrate into your skin and do the job very, very well, okay? This is how I use it. Do not use the body oil on your face. I'm answering that question now because I get a lot of questions in my comment section asking me, can I use it on my face? This is not a face oil. I did not say it's a face oil. This is a body oil. By the name, you should know. Body oil. The next thing I'm going to answer is, should I pour it into my body lotion or should I just apply it on my body? Please do not pour it into your body lotion. Apply it straight up on your body, okay? Apply it straight on your body. If you're using body lotions, after your body lotions, you go ahead and apply this. But if you're not using body lotions, after bathing and cleaning your skin, apply this, okay, on a damp skin. On a damp skin. This heat period, you don't even need to be applying body lotions, okay, because the weather is so hot, very, very hot. So I will just say lean towards these body oils and thank me later, okay? I love these body oils because it is lightweight and it absorbs quickly onto the body, and it is super affordable. Imagine getting this as 1,500 naira. Imagine glowing at 1,500 naira price. It is so funny to me because it is so affordable, okay? If you are still wondering if you should incorporate this into your body care routine, this is a go ahead, and I'm telling you, yes, please incorporate it in your body care routine, and you come back and thank me later. Both body oils are affordable and very, very effective. So tell me in the comment section the one you're going to be going for, the Disaar turmeric body oil or the Disaar vitamin C body oil. If you have watched the particular point of the video and you are yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe and also turn the notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Leave a comment in the comment section and tell me the one you're going to try this period, okay? And like this video, share it to someone that you know is looking for affordable products that are very, very effective. Here we do all things related to skincare, and I share affordable products that are very, very effective. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.